Water jet cutting. Types, uses, and processes. Introduction. This article takes an in-depth look at water jet cutting. You will learn more about topics such as: what is water jet cutting? The water jet cutting process. Types of water jet cutting cuts. Types of water jet cutting. Uses for water jet cutting. Water jet cutting machines. And much more. Chapter 1. What is water jet cutting? Chapter 2. How water jet cutting works. The process of water jet cutting. Measuring kerf width. Initial water jet piercing. Tapering in kerf width. Pressurizing the water. High-pressure tubing. Water jet cutting head. Pure water jet cutters. Abrasive water jet cutting system. Advantages of water jet cutting compared to other cutting methods. Chapter 3. Types of water jet cuts. Types of water jet cuts. One-dimensional. Two-dimensional, XY. Three-dimensional XYZ. Four-dimensional XYZA. Five-dimensional XYZAB. Chapter 4. Types of water jet cutting. Water jet cutting types. Abrasive flow machining. Abrasive jet machining. High-pressure water cutting. CNC water jet cutting. Chapter 5. Uses for water jet cutting. Water jet cutting uses. Water jet cutting in the aerospace industry. Auto industry. Water jet cutting in medicine. Cutting of glass. Water jet cutting in industrial cleaning. Food industry cutting. Water jet cutting electronics. Water jet cutting fiberglass. Chapter 6. Types of water jet cutting machines. Water jet cutting machine types. Computer numerical control, CNC. Flatbed water jet cutting machines. Computer numerical control. Portable water jet cutting. Chapter 7. Products made using water jet cutting. Water jet cut products. Wooden electric guitar. Making gears. Using water jet cutting on cams. Producing chains. Creating nameplates. Water jet cutting rubber. Water jet cutting benefits. Extreme precision. Secondary finishing. Versatility advantage. Environmentally safe. Ease of use. Programming shape. Cost savings of water jet cutting. Lack of chemicals. Water jet cutting efficiency. Product control. Sanitary. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right manufacturer for your water jet cutting needs.